Hi, I'm Dr. Nkio Katasenwachukwu, a legal practitioner, and in this series, I'm going to be asking the question, is bail really free? And I'll be answering that question. Now, bail is said to be a temporary, release from the police custody pending investigation into the charge upon which charges that were brought against you, and it usually comes with certain conditions such as the need for you to enter appearance when the need arises. Now, what are the grounds that that supports the need for you to be granted bail? Now, you're expected to be granted bail because before the law you are seen as being innocent until proven guilty according to section 36 of the Constitution. And of course, section 35 also stipulates that every individual has a right to personal liberty. Now, what are the types of offenses and their impact on bail? Some time back, I talked about the types of offenses where I talked about the need to know that there's the simple offense, which entails punishment less than 6 months. And then, of course, there's the misdemeanor, which punishment is more than 6 months but less than 3 years. And then there's the felony, which is more than above 3 years. The punishment is above 3 years. And then there's a capital offense, which attracts a punishment of life imprisonment and in most cases death. Now, I'm going to talk about the types of bail. Most often you have heard the usage of the word a surety. So a surety is like a guarantor whose primary or responsibility is to ensure that you put in appearance when due. In other words, they end up, most times dropping like landed property documents or money, and in the event that they fail to actually fulfill those responsibilities, they are immediately made to forfeit those things that they dropped. Now, let's talk about police bail. Police bail is the one that is granted when police initially arrest you. Now, when they arrest you, depending on the severity of the offense, the police is expected to actually grant you bail. And that bail expires immediately you're charged to court. Now, should the police still not be able to take you to a competent court of jurisdiction within a stipulated time of 24 hours or 48 hours, depending on the availability of the nearest courts to the police is expected to also, release you. By law, taking into consideration the Constitution, the Administration of the Criminal Justice Act 2015, and the Police Act, bail is actually expected to be free. But realistically in Nigeria, bail is not free, because you see situations whereby the police end up extorting money from the family members on the guise that if they don't pay this money, their family members, the arrested individual will spend more time in prison. So till the powers that be, or the powers that are in charge of those police forces start to put things in order and severely punish the ones who are extorting money over bail that should have been free, I can categorically tell you that bail is not free.